What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first ever Scalp Micro Nation workshops. These are student workshops that are available to current students here at Scalp Micro Nation. We believe in extended education, not just a 3-day course. We understand that when it comes to learning and growing in this industry, you need more repetition. So come on, follow me. All right, so right now I got Edvin and Suzanne in here. They're working on a client model. Doing a great job. We're doing a full lineup right now. We're working on a natural hairline. Edvin right now is just putting his base in. You guys might recognize Edvin from our interview last time. He's doing a great job. Good job, man. Yeah, just keep doing that right there. All right, and over here, we're working over here. This is Raul. Raul here is one of my previous students from over a year ago. He's been doing a little bit of SMP, and of course, all previous students of Scalp Micro Nation, they're allowed to come in here and work and grow as artists. Like I said, this requires more than just 3 days of education. And I'm willing to give my students that time because I care about their success. I care about the work that they do. I want them to actually grow as artists so that they can give their families and have the life that they want through a great income of being an SMP artist, but also being efficient in their work and handing out good work. We're not a drive-through education system where you come, you hang out for 3 days, and then it's on to the next class. I genuinely care, like I said, about my students and their success and how they look as artists, their work, you know, how they portray themselves, business, everything. We care here because it's much more, like I said, than just a 3-day course. Beauty school, barbering school, esthetician school, all those things require over a year of class. Here, we're trying to meet those standards so that we can give students the quality education that they deserve. Yeah, it looks good, bro, just like that.